Hey guys, Kendall here with P&W Jetboats. Over the course of winter and spring here, we're going to be fabbing up a 12-foot Jetstream Buccaneer, and we're going to do little videos like this one here of the parts and pieces that we're going to use for our build. So this video is for the Jetstream intake and T1 Stomp grate kit, and it comes with all the parts and pieces that you need in your billet adapter plate. So we'll get going here. It's the intake here, all quarter inch aluminum, nice welds, nicely fabbed up, 2-inch shaft housing here, 1/4 inch plate, and then a 2-inch intake base here, which is nice and beefy. 160 millimeter opening here against the transom. So yeah, going to the bottom now. T1 steel stomp grate with your bars. Got 9 bars across here with roughly around 7/16 of an opening, which is nice because no big rocks and big debris is gonna get through there and wreck your guys' impellers. The intake plate here, nice beveled edges here. So when you butt up your UHMW to it, it's a nice transition of water right into the intake and straight out. This roughly weighs 45 pounds, and yeah, nicely built right from them. Just order it online or give them a call, and they can ship this to you. And it's for any of you guys' mini projects. Going forward, this is my billet adapter plate for my Rotax motor that I'm going to be using, and they come for Sea-Doos, Yamahas, and Kawasaki's. So whatever motor you're using, they got the plate already machined and billeted right for you to get going. Comes with all the hardware, springs, nuts and bolts, and the UHMW sliders here for your swim grid right there with your bars and your stomp pedal here. Nicely CNC Jetstreamed in, billeted blue. This is nice. It's going to look good on the back of the boat. You get that with the kit also. So yeah, this kit comes roughly 1,500 bucks Canadian, and I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm pretty stoked to get this in the boat. It's going to look sweet. So here's a little montage of the kit that I have. Hey guys, so if you like this little video I made of this intake and you want to see more, just subscribe to the page, give me a thumbs up, and follow along as we continue this build. Cheers.